Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to yet another edition of Study Crypto. Today, just a quick video to talk about the markets, a little bit of the craziness, and just some perspective and just some understanding about my particular ideas about where we're going and what's happening and how I'm playing it. But first, before we get into that, do us a big favor. Hit that like button as well as the subscribe button and ding that notification bell as well. We really do appreciate it. And always, as always, crypto investing is high risk, so please do be careful. As you know from last week, do be careful. This is not financial advice, but be very careful out there. So let's get into it. Real quick, just wanted to talk about the state of the market. So there's a cool tweet that came from Mr. Mohammed El Arian. He was posting about the particular crash that we're in. Now, I'm talking about the crash that isn't just crypto, but it's everything. As you may or may not know, stocks are down. Crypto, as you know, is down. Gold is even down. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Everything is down. We're definitely in a bear market, and it might be a long bear market. There's no indication of light at the end of this tunnel anytime soon. And just for perspective, how bad it is right now across the board, he had this post, and it's showing more value lost than .com crash that was lost in this most recent decline that we're in. And as you can see here, the .com bubble, there was $4.6 trillion that evaporated. In the global financial crisis of 2008 ish, there was $2.3 trillion lost. In the the C19 sell off, there was 4.4 trillion that was sold off. And currently, we're in a decline of $7.6 trillion from the market. That's the NASDAQ market cap. This isn't even crypto. Okay, so we're in a real bad time. If we just wanted to look at the chart real quick, as you can see here, we are in this sustained downtrend. We're in a bear market, folks. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Things are going bad, and they're staying bad. This is time. This is the time to short, ladies and gentlemen. If you're a shorter, if you take out short positions, do some little leverage shorting, not financial advice. This is a good time to pick up some gains because that's all that there's available right now. In my opinion, this is not buy the dip time. This is short. This is short. Whether it's Bitcoin or whatever else you can find out there that's performing poorly, it's time to short. We're not. This isn't turning around anytime soon. If we look at the MACD, this is in the toilet. Okay, there's nothing good here. There isn't a turnaround in the next week or two that will unexpectedly come out of nowhere. Okay. Now, regarding the big one, Luna, as we know, this sold off hard. I was shorting it all the way down. I can't say all the way down. I probably started shorting like right around here, like 2 days ago. But shorting this would have been a massive. If you shorted up here, you would have had some huge gains if you was able to catch this short from the beginning. I mean, down 100%. It's less than that. It's a bigger drop than 100%. It's basically 100%. Because you consider that the all-time high was at like 160, 120, 110, right? Around 110 in less than a month. Now it's at fractions of a cent. We're at 0.0004. Okay. That is ridiculous. So you go from $100+ down to 0.0004. Unbelievable, historic destruction. This will be talked about for many years. Hopefully, we could all learn something and become better investors, better traders, better participants in the crypto world after this destructive experience with Luna. All right, guys. So, and for all of you people that are buying the dip on the Luna, there's a lot of people buying the dip. Uh, my personal opinion, not financial advice, wrong move, particularly because of this. because the circulating supply of Luna is ridiculously high now. And as you know, the higher the supply, the lower the price. What was giving Luna its price before was the fact that the supply was limited. The supply was limited because people were printing Terra, UST. And in order for UST to be printed, Luna must be burned. So there was a sustained burning and a shortening of the supply of Luna, and that made the price go up. But as you can see right here, we're at a place where the sell-off of Luna was so hard that reprinted, for lack of a better way of explaining it, it reprinted a ton of Luna. So there's so much Luna on the market. So as of May 1st, before the sell-off, there was 345 million Luna on the market. Now, after this sell-off, it's over 6 trillion Luna, 6.5 trillion Luna. So we went from 345 million Luna to 6.5 trillion Luna. That's a multiple of 18,000. That's not going to be restored, the value of Luna. Okay? Because in order for the value of Luna to get restored, that means either A, people have to start buying Terra UST again, which no one is. If anything, they're still going to sell it off, because whenever the UST could get up to a decent amount that people want to redeem, they're going to start selling it off again. So that's not going to happen. So it's not going to be deflationary from a burn. That's not happening. The other way to get the price of Luna back up to 50 or even $1 would be for there just to be more money buying into Luna. But in order to get that price to raise, you would need billions upon billions, hundreds of billions of dollars. I think it's like you need like $1 trillion to pump into Luna at this point in time. More than, put it this way, there would have to be more money pouring into Luna than the entire market cap of Bitcoin and Ethereum combined for it to even get close to its previous all-time high, or even anything anybody would care about. And so keep in mind too, when you see these charts that are showing Terra Luna up 290%, that means nothing. If you're up 290% from 0.00003 cents, that is not bringing you anywhere close back to $1 or $100. That means nothing. So do not get fooled with this. This is a trap. It's not a deliberate trap. It's just people buying the dip, which is not good advice in my opinion. And it's just terrible, and you're going to get burned. I don't want to see anybody get burned. So in my opinion, don't buy Luna. It's dead. It ain't coming back, folks. It's a wrap. If by some miracle in the next few years, Do Kwon can figure out how to get the UST back to peg, I can get my money back out, thank God. But UST, don't buy it. It's a trap. It is a trap. All right, guys, this chart says it all. I mean, I feel for everybody that got crushed. I was in there too. I was luckily getting out at a certain point, but didn't get out enough, to be quite honest with you. Saw it coming, but didn't make the right decisions beforehand. Live and learn. Lesson learned. Won't happen again. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think about Terra UST, the crash. Try to put all this stuff into perspective. It's going to be hard times moving forward, not just for crypto, but for everything. So keep that in mind. And and there are definitely brighter days ahead. Bitcoin is still certainly going to be $1 million per Bitcoin within the next by 2030, 2035 or so. That's still on track. So don't let these dark times make you feel like it's the end of the world, because it certainly is not. All right, guys, thanks so much. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Hit the like button and that subscribe button. All right, guys, we really do appreciate it. Thanks so much. See you next time. Hey, guys, thanks so much again for viewing our wonderful video. And please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you found value in this. And please ding the notification bell as well. Thanks so much. See you next time.